This is a question where we have to adjust the range when we're solving a trig equation. So here we have cos of 1/3 x minus 47 is equal to 0.12, and the range is minus 450 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 400. So minus 540, is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 540. So the first thing you do is you change this angle to be 1/3 x minus 47, and then you think how you did that. So to get from x to 1/3 x minus 47, you multiply by 1/3 and then you take away 37. So you do the same to the minus 540. So minus 540 and then multiply by 1/3, which is the same as dividing by 3, and then take away 47. And when I did that, what I got was minus 227 degrees. The other one you will do, so the same idea over here, you will do 540 and divide it by 3, and then you take away 47, and when I did that I got 133 degrees. So if we do our basic angle then, and how you get your basic angle is you do cos to the minus 1 inverse of cos of 0.12. So if I just do that, inverse of cos of 0.12, and what I got was 83.1, and we'll go 108 degrees. And then you do your cast diagram. The only thing I ever mark on the cast diagram, if I'm honest, is the 0. And then we put on cos is positive. So because up here, because your cos is positive, it's positive 0.12. That means the angle goes in here or in here. So that's going to be 83.108 or 83.108 degrees. So the positive way is going to be here. So my first angle, it's 1/3 x minus 47 is equal to 83.108 degrees. Or it could be the negative way, which is minus 83.108 degrees. So you've got two linear equations here basically. First thing we'll do is bring the minus 47 across. Minus 47 comes across, it adds in. So you'll have 83.108 plus 47, and that is equal to 130.108 degrees. And then you've got your minus 83.108 and you're adding your 47. And if you do that, you'll get minus 36.108 degrees. And then you divide across by 1/3. Dividing across by 1/3 is the same, remember, as multiplying by 3. So I'm just going to do the second one here first because I had it still in my calculator, the minus 36.108. Multiply it by 3, you'll get minus 108.32 degrees. That's to 2 decimal places. And the other one, 130.108 times 3. And that to 2 decimal places is 390.32 degrees. And that is it. So there you've got your two answers, and you always look and see, are those answers within the original range? And they were, so happy days. That's my final answer. And that is it. Done.